Welcome traders and investors to a quick tutorial on alerts and alert templates on Barchart.com. Alerts help you monitor the market even when you're away from your screen. Whether you're watching price levels, technical indicators, news, or Barchart opinion signals. Alerts notify you when your conditions are met so you never have to constantly monitor charts. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to create and manage alerts, configure email, SMS, and WhatsApp notifications, and build reusable alert templates to save time. Let's begin by opening the Tools menu and selecting the Alerts Center. This is where every alert in your account is managed. Here, you'll find all of your active, inactive, and triggered alerts, along with the date and time each alert was last triggered. From this page, you can create new alerts, edit existing ones, reactivate triggered alerts, configure notification settings, and manage your entire alerts workflow from one location. Let's create our first alert. Simply enter a symbol at the top of the page. If an alert already exists for that symbol, Barchart will allow you to edit or reactivate it. Otherwise, you can create either a price alert or a news alert. While free members can create one basic price alert based on the symbol's last price and a set news alert, Premier members can create unlimited advanced alerts. Let's begin with a price alert. Click the drop-down to start building your own custom alert. We can start by using the price and volume option from the list. For U.S. equities, you'll notice two choices for last price. Last monitors regular market hours only. Latest available also includes pre-market and after-hours trading. For non-U.S. markets, these two selections behave the same. For any U.S. stocks supported by CBOE BZX data, your alerts will trigger instantly based on live, real-time market action. Next, instead of monitoring only price, you can create alerts based on hundreds of technical data fields. We can add the 50-day moving average, 14-day Relative Strength Index RSI, Barchart opinion indicators like Trend Seeker, and more. This allows you to combine multiple conditions into one alert. For example, price and percent change for the last price is greater than 5%, and Barchart opinion signal for Trend Seeker equals buy. These compound alerts allow you to monitor trading strategies rather than individual prices. You can also add optional notes to remind yourself why you created this alert. Those notes will appear inside the Alert Center and in your notifications when the alerts trigger. Next, choose your alert frequency, which is how often Barchart should evaluate your alert. There are 4 choices. Intraday, no reset, continuously monitors the market during the trading day. Once triggered, the alert becomes inactive until you manually reactivate it. Intraday daily auto reset also monitors throughout the trading day, but automatically resets for the next trading session after triggering. End of day no reset checks the alerts once the market closes. If triggered, it remains inactive until manually reactivated. End of day daily auto reset also checks after the close, but automatically resets each trading day. Keep in mind that technical indicators such as moving averages or MACD are calculated using daily data. So even if you select an intraday frequency, those technical conditions are evaluated using the previous day's completed calculations. Besides price alerts, you can also create news alerts for stocks. Simply choose News Alerts instead of Price Alert and select the news sources you'd like Barchart to monitor. Unlike price alerts, news alerts are continuous. As long as the alert remains active, you'll continue receiving notifications whenever the company appears in qualifying news stories. Now, let's look at how alerts are delivered. By default, every alert is sent to the primary email address associated with your Barchart account. Triggered alerts are also recorded here in the Alert Center, where you can review when each alert occurred. Plus and Premier members can also enable on-screen notifications. These notifications appear in the upper right corner of the website while you're logged in and remaining visible until dismissed. Premier members can also receive alerts through SMS text messages or WhatsApp. To configure either option, click Configure Text Alerts or Configure WhatsApp Alerts. Enter your phone number beginning with the country code, then click Activate. You'll receive a notification message on your mobile device. Once confirmed, you can choose whether to receive price alerts, news alerts, or both, along with your preferred delivery times and time zone. WhatsApp is especially valuable for international users because it delivers alerts over an internet connection rather than relying on traditional cellular text messaging, making notifications available in regions where SMS support may be limited. Back in the Alert Center, you can easily manage all your alerts. Use your search box to quickly find alerts for a specific symbol. Filter between active, inactive, triggered, or today's triggered alerts. And also filter between showing all symbols or select specific symbols from each list. One feature unique to Barchart is Flipcharts. From the Alert Center, you can quickly launch Flipcharts for active alerts, triggered alerts, news alerts, or every symbol currently on the page. This allows you to visually review each chart immediately after an alert is triggered. Now, let's make creating alerts even faster using alert templates. Alert templates are available for Premier members and allow you to save reusable alert configurations. Here, you'll find separate tabs for price templates and news templates. To create a new template, enter a name and click Create. Next, configure the conditions exactly the way you want. For example, you might build a trend-following template using the following indicators: last price above the 50-day moving average, Barchart opinion indicator signal from trend seeker is buy, and the relative strength index RSI is greater than 50. Once saved, that template can be applied as a default to any future alert with a single click. So instead of rebuilding the same alert every time, you simply apply your saved template to a new symbol. You can also edit existing templates, reorder them, delete templates you no longer need, or choose one as your default template. When you create a new alert, your default template will automatically populate the conditions for you. You can also change the template from the drop-down menu. Back in the Alert Center at the top of the page, you'll also find several management options. Deactivate all alerts temporarily disables every alert without deleting them. Delete inactive alerts removes only alerts that are no longer active. Delete all alerts completely clears every alert from your account. If you only want to remove specific alerts, simply select the checkbox next to each alert and click Delete. One simple workflow for using alerts might look like this. Head to the stock menu and select a screener, like the top 100 stocks list, to find new opportunities. Under the links column on the data table, you can save interesting symbols to a watch list and click Add Alert to apply one of your alert templates to that specific symbol. Then, let Barchart notify you whenever your trading conditions are met. So instead of constantly checking charts throughout the day, the market comes to you in the Alert Center. Whether you're monitoring simple price targets from the overview page, tracking technical indicators with Barchart Opinion, or just following the news that's moving the charts, Barchart alerts help you automate your market monitoring and keeping you connected wherever you go. If you'd like to learn more, head over to the Learn tab and explore site education and the video archives for more tutorials on screeners, interactive charts, Barchart Opinion, watch lists, and other trading tools. And before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Barchart YouTube channel. And we'll see you for the next one.